How to verify your YouTube account without any phone number. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So let's go and head onto our YouTube and go to YouTube Studio. So once you click on that, you will be directed, of course, to the YouTube Studio, and what we need to do is go to the settings. And once you are here on the settings, go to the channel, and you will be going to the eligibility feature. And as you can see here that this feature is enabled because I've already verified my phone number. But what you need to do if you don't have, if you don't want any phone number of yours to type in, what you need to do is go to this website called freephonenom.com. So it is right here, so you can choose between the US and Canada. So I'll just use the US ones and click on the number, and then just copy the number. And once you have copied the number, and you have a lot of, they have a lot of messages here, so just copy the number and paste it, and of course select the country that of the United States because it is from the US, and get code. Click on get code and you can see the code on the website, and then you can proceed to verifying your phone number in your YouTube. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.